right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, you like it when I do it like that? Yeah. Come in there. Leave me. Hold on. Yeah, right. No. Let me. Yeah. Oh, there. Yeah. Oh, God. Make your parents proud. Hold on. Are you gonna? Oh, you gonna let me in? You gonna let me? Are you sure? Are you? Oh, all right. Oh, yeah, right in there. Yeah, you like that? Is it too tight? It's too tight, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. I don't care anymore. Too tight? What? You want it in there? Yeah. No lube. We don't need no lube. We don't need no mother effing lube. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Tell your parents they knew it was a mistake dating me! You and me! Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm almost done. Oh, God. Oh, let's take a break. Let's play with my balls. Stir the porridge! Alright, round 2, baby. Yeah, you like it? We'll make another hole! Your other holes can't handle me! Ow! My ferocity! There's just too much dick for your vag! Take it! Woman! You can handle it! Oh, God. That was good.
I think she's been thoroughly satisfied and killed.
Okay, thank you.